Chapter 6, the complaint must be legally sufficient. The investigation is a gathering of facts. The chairman of the Real Estate Commission will appoint 2 members to the probable cause panel. At least one has to be a licensee, and the other a current member of the Real Estate Commission. A formal complaint is an outline of all the legal charges with 20 days to respond. A hearing can either be formal or informal. A recommended order by the administrative law judge has to be answered within 10 days of the charges. We call that a written exception. The final order, however, is handed down by the Florida Real Estate Commission, but does not take effect for 30 days. That gives that individual time to file an appeal with the district courts of appeal. The notice of noncompliance is a minor infraction where, as long as the broker corrects it within 15 days, nothing will be done. FREC can suspend a license up to 10 years, fine you up to $5,000 per charge, or revoke your license. The state attorney can fine you or incarcerate you. Either a first-degree misdemeanor, which carries a penalty of up to a $1,000 fine and or up to 1 year in a county jail, or a second-degree misdemeanor, which carries a fine of up to $500 and or 60 days in the county jail. The recovery fund only pays compensatory damages, which are actual damages. The recovery fund will pay up to $50,000 for a single judgment and $150,000 for multiple judgments. The license of a licensee automatically becomes suspended until the money is repaid plus interest. And remember, the only exception is if a broker follows a lawful escrow disbursement order of FREC. And that's all I have for Chapter 6's review.